Hey guys, welcome to Bhanot Talks, your very own technology channel guys. Guys, today what we are going to discuss about a very cool feature which Google has released just now. So without wasting any further time, let's learn about this feature and enjoy this feature. Now for that, what you have to do is guys, that you have to open Google on your mobile phone. Once that is open, in the search bar, you have simply to type what to watch, right? You have to type what to watch and search for it. Now when you will type what to watch, see what happens on your screen. It will show you all the shows and movies which you can watch on various platforms which are available. Now this is a very cool feature guys which Google has launched. So how we can make use of it is like this. You will see a screen like this on your mobile phone, right? Click on more shows and movies. Now here on the top you can see that there are two options, shows and movies. Now you can select shows. If you select shows, it will categorize and show you all the shows which are available to be watched online. If you want only movies, you click on the movies and you can see the list of the movies which you can watch online on various platforms. So for the time being, let me select shows and movies, right? Now also you can see that here we have a list of all the movies and shows like action, comedy, thriller, romance, the free ones, adventure, drama. All these options are there. If you click on one of the options, say if I click on say free, it will show me the movies which I can watch free online on various platforms. Now we have also the option of providers here. You can see that you can watch Disney plus Hotstar, you can watch movies from Netflix, you can watch movies from Sony Live, and also you can watch movies from Google Play TV and YouTube as well. Now you can also deselect these subscriptions and click on save, and it would show you all the movies which are available from all these platforms right there. Now guys, suppose if I want to see a particular movie, let me say if I click on a particular movie like this, now what it will show you is that this movie, in the description it says that you can watch this movie free, but for that you have to have you can say a subscription of Disney plus Hotstar, right? So you can, some movies are available on YouTube, like let me click on some other one like this, say now this movie is available on which platform? It is available again on Disney and Hotstar. You can browse left and right and see which movies are available where. Now this Comedy Circus, it is available on you can say Sony Live. And also if you want to see that particular movies which are available, say if I want to see the movies of my choice, I can click on that movie and I can watch that movie on a particular platform. So guys, this is a very important feature you see which Google has released. Now this feature is recently released by Google and it's a very interesting feature. For example, say if I want to see the movies which are available on say you can say if I want to see the movies which are available on let me select anyone, say Hotstar. Now it will show you all the movies which are available on Hotstar, all the shows which are available on Hotstar. You can click on a movie of your choice, and if you have a subscription of Hotstar, you can watch this movie right here like this. If I click on this, it will directly go to Hotstar and you can watch the movie and enjoy the movie, right? See, movie has started. So this is very cool feature guys which Google has released. I hope that you will like this feature, and if you do, kindly enjoy this feature by opening Google on your mobile phone, and what you have to do is that you have to only type what to watch, right? So guys, this is what I wanted to tell you about this important feature of Google in this video. I hope you will like the video, and if you do, kindly hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Bhanot Talks, because this is the channel where you will get the real information. Thank you guys for taking your time out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.